What's your name?
Caitlin.
And how old are you?
12.
And what class are you taking this year?
Biology.
Okay. What's that thing right there?
It's a microscope
What kind of microscope? What do you use it for?
for looking into the cells of onion roots and identifying the 4 phases of mitosis: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase.
Okay, so you've got an onion in there?
Onion root tip, yes.
Okay, but just a little bit?
Yes.
And why did you choose onion?
Because that is the fastest growing root tip, and their tips go into mitosis a lot more often than any others.
And so what have you experienced looking through that thing?
Cells. Lots of
Cells.
them.
And can you talk about the different phases of mitosis?
This is interphase. This actually happens before mitosis. It's when the cell copies its genetic instructions, and interphase actually isn't visible through the microscope until it's almost done.
What's the next phase?
Prophase.
Tell me about that.
They divide and go to the middle of the cell and line up in a row, and then the spindle fibers attach the chromatids to opposite sides of the cell, and then the chromatids divide again, and then they split off to the opposite end of the cells.
And what's the third phase?
Metaphase. It's when it actually reaches the opposite side of the cell, and the spindle fibers dissolve.
And then what's the next phase?
Anaphase. It's the nuclear membrane reforms around chromatids. And then telophase is the cell squeezes until it splits in half, and then it becomes 2 cells.
And what is all of those phases called in together?
Mitosis.
And what's the coolest thing about this experiment?
Actually getting to see cells and what's happening